Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm your LinkedIn Sales Navigator Strategist. I got asked this question a few minutes ago. How do I get rid of messaging from a hacker or spammer or fake bot on LinkedIn after I block that person or their account gets removed? And I'm going to show you how to deal with that in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content for you. So I get it all the time. I get invites on a regular basis from people who are spammers or hackers or bots. And I'm not saying any of these are. But, at some point, I want them to go away. Now, how do I determine they're a fake, a spam, a scammer, or a bot? I respond to them. And I always do it. And look, I'll show it to you again. From my network, go see all. And right here, not only can I reply, but I can message to anyone who sends me an invite to connect. I can't message to invites to pages, but anybody who sends me a message with their invite, I can reply. Anybody who sends me an invite without a message, I can send them a message. So I do that, but then after I determine they're a fake, a bot, or whatever, and I want to get rid of them, I hit the ignore button. But here's what happens. Because I've messaged them and they've messaged me back over in my messaging, you'll see that in here, I've got some fake messaging. Let me find some. I know what they're going to look like. They're going to look like this. Boom. Here's the message that I got from this member, whoever it was. I don't even know the name of the person. Here's another one I got from whoever, and their name is going. And so I want to get rid of this messaging, just like I got rid of those fake accounts. Here's how you do this. You click on the message. Now over here, all I got is mark unread or archive. But up here, 3 dots, delete, boom, gone, see ya. Here's another one, okay? I want to get rid of this. 3 dots, hit delete, hit yes, boom, gone, see ya. So this is the only answer because LinkedIn is going to leave this messaging in your inbox because you deleted the profile, you ignored the profile, you blocked the profile, you got the profile going bye-bye. Now, by the way, once you block the profile, the message is going to stay in here and say LinkedIn member. Once the profile is removed from LinkedIn, the message is going to stay in here and it's going to say LinkedIn member. Then what you have to do, as I've shown you already, is hit the 3 dots and delete the message. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.